taking a look at control concepts, these are used internally by entities to prevent errors and deter fraud. And control concepts, these are really, according to SOX, but also just, in regular business practice, this is the responsibility of management to maintain internal controls. And internal controls, they involve the process that an organization would implement to safeguard their assets, provide accurate and reliable information, and promote operational efficiency. And of course, we want to do all of this in compliance with our applicable laws and regulations within our industry. To break it down, we're going to look at three main functions of internal control, being preventative controls, detective controls, and corrective controls. And I think those are all pretty self-explanatory. Preventative, of course, we want to deter problems before they even arise. So there's some controls we can put into place that would not even allow a problem to happen. We're not going to, of course, be able to prevent everything. So we need detective controls to be able to find those problems as they arise. And then corrective controls, of course, to fix problems that have been identified. So we'd want backup files maybe if we wanted to recover from some corrupted data. And of course, the world was a lot simpler before we brought in this whole computerized environment. Controls maybe were a little simpler, but now that we're in this computerized environment, we've got some general controls to think about pertaining to our enterprise-wide issues. A lot of companies now have networks. We need to have controls over who can access that network, as well as maintaining the applications. And anytime that we make a change to a program, we really should document that change. We also need some application controls, which are specific to the subsystem or application, which would ensure validity, completeness, and accuracy of transactions. And you'll find a lot of those, especially if you do have an application or subsystem, there will be some built-in controls to stop you from making errors or to really validate the information that's being entered. And thanks for joining me on just a really quick overview on our control concepts.